Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today I will share a detailed information regarding MP Civil Judge Notification 2020. So today itself, MP High Court declared a notification under which there are 252 seats for the post of MP Civil Judge Junior Division, and that 252 seats include 192 present vacancies, and whereas 60 seats are from backlog. So the seats has been distributed as follows. For unreserved category, there are 96 seats, and there are 6 seats more for physically handicapped candidates from the backlog seats. And for OBC category of MP state, there are 27 seats. For the category of SC of MP states, there are 31 seats, and 2 seats additionally has been added up from the backlog. And for STs of MP state, there are 38 seats from the present vacancies and 48 seats from the backlog, and 2 seats also for physically handicapped candidates from the backlog. And out of 192 present vacancies, 4% seats has been reserved for specially abled persons. Talking about qualification, the candidate should be a citizen of India. Along with that, should be a law graduate and should possess a good character. Age criteria: in order to apply this application form, the unreserved category and other candidates from India should be of 21 years on 1st of January 2020, and the upper limit to apply is 35 years. And for OBC category, ST category, SC category of MP state, and for MP state government employees and specially abled persons who is having more than 40% disability, in all these category there is relaxation of 3 years. That means 35 years plus 3 years equals to 38 years as the upper limit. Now the important dates which we need to remember: application window will start from 22nd September 2020 at 12 pm, that is Tuesday, and the last date to apply is 5th November 2020 till 11:55 pm. In case there is any error in your application form and you want to update your form, then the updation window will open on the 10th November 2020 at 12 pm, and the last day to update your application form is 12th November 2020 till 11:55 pm, and the exam date is to be notified. Regarding centers, the notifications include itself Jabalpur, Indore, Gwalior, Sagar, Satna, Ujjain as the center for examination, but that may be altered in respect to the number of candidates who will apply for this particular post. Now, examination fee for the application form is 1122 rupees 16 paise for unreserved category of MP, also for other candidates from India, and for OBCs, SC, STs of MP states, and also for specially abled person, the fee is rupees 722 16 paise. I am sharing a link of official notification in the bio, and in case you need more information regarding this notification, you can visit to www.mphc.gov.in. This is all about the notification. Thanks for watching. Thank you.